Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we guide you step by step on how to set up the TP-Link RE505X Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're using the Tether app, the WPS button, or a web browser, we'll show you the easiest ways to connect it to your home network. With clear instructions, you'll learn how to extend your Wi-Fi coverage to eliminate dead zones and enjoy faster internet throughout your home. Watch the video for simple tips to get your RE505X up and running in no time. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the TP-Link RE505X Extender box, you'll find the Wi-Fi range extender itself, along with a quick installation guide to help you set it up easily. The extender is compact and plugs directly into a power outlet, so no additional cables or power adapters are needed. Everything is packed securely, ready for a simple and fast setup. So let's start the process. First of all, plug the RE505X into a power outlet near your router for initial setup. The power LED should turn solid. On your smartphone or tablet, go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for TP-Link Tether and download the app. Once downloaded, install and open the app on your device. If you already have a TP-Link account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, tap on Sign Up and create a TP-Link ID by providing your email address and creating a password. After signing up, verify your email if required, and log in. In the Tether app, tap the Add icon in the top right corner of the screen to add a new device. From the device list, select Range Extender. The app will prompt you to connect your smartphone to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. Look for a Wi-Fi network named something like TP-Link_Extender_XXXX. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, connect to the extender's Wi-Fi network, and then return to the app. The Tether app will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Once the list appears, choose your home Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and click Next to continue. You can either keep the same network name as your home network, which is recommended for seamless roaming, or create a new name for the extended network. If you prefer, you can also set a separate password for the extended network, or you can use the same password as your home network. After you've selected the network and entered the password, the Tether app will establish a connection between the extender and your router. Once the setup is complete, you will see a confirmation screen, and the signal LED on the extender will indicate the strength of the connection: green for a strong connection, orange for a weaker connection. This method offers a simple and user-friendly way to extend your Wi-Fi range using the Tether app. By following these steps, you can easily do the TP-Link RE505X Extender Setup. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.